All right, what's up, YouTube? This topic is going to be talking about indicators versus naked forex. So there's going to be like another series on top of another series and on top of another series, right? So, first off, I was going to talk about mindset, but I want to talk about this because a lot of people always been asking and always questioning: is naked forex better than using indicators, or if using indicators is better than naked forex? My personal opinion, nothing beats naked forex. Price action with candlesticks with the trend structure, that's where it's at. But obviously, a lot of people have their ways of looking at indicators, and I'm going to explain to you my personal experience of some of the indicators that I was using in the beginning and why I'm using naked forex now. So, probably just a quick video here. Hold on. Let's talk about gold because everyone's been on this case here on gold here. So I got my trend line here on the 4 hour, but the most important trend line that I have is the daily trend line. And it's really crucial to pay attention to where this is headed right now for gold. Obviously, gold is still on a bullish phase, a bull momentum, and it's still uptrending. So based on the daily and the weekly and the monthly, this is the weekly and the monthly, it is still uptrending. It wants to come up here to break. Was it 18? I believe this is 18 something. 1825, 1826 breaches this. I wouldn't be surprised if they shoot all the way up to the wick of 19, like 1920, like above 1900, right? So now this is using the analysis on price action, right? Naked Forex is more pure on price action and then ties with candlesticks. If you look at where gold has been going for the past year and now, you can see it's been uptrending ever since 2019, right? 2019, 2020, right here, and this is 2020. So it has been on a massive bullish move. Now, let's add some indicators here, and I'm gonna hop back down to let's hop back down to 4 hour. So what I was using before, hold on. I don't want to make this a long video. So Bollinger Bands. Yeah, Bollinger Bands, moving average. I'll put RSI on here. Come on. Where's that? Oh, moving average. And then let's add RSI. So this is a whole different scenario when you're using indicators. Number one, you have to understand the main window. The main window is this, right? This is the main window. This is the main window, what I'm drawing coloring right now, right? Your second window is where it's going to tell you it's overbought or oversold, right? Those are your technical indicators of what's overbought and what's oversold. That doesn't tell you if it's a good time to buy or sell. Reason being is that if you are looking based on the bottom indicator, RSI, let's just talk about RSI because I have it right here. Then if we look at RSI right now, obviously you can see, okay, it's right at close to 70, right? 70 is overbought. We would sell based on 70, and we would buy at the lowest, right, which would be 30, right? 70 and 30. Does that happen all the time? No, it doesn't. I mean, if you look at what happened in the past week, gold has been consolidating on the 4 hour, and you can see the tight zone structure from 1796 and all the way up to 1810. I mean, 1815. So from 1796 and 1815 to $19-20, right? $19-20 right now, pretty much is a $20 price gap. If we were to look at this zone structure, this price structure right here, and you're looking at this, you're gonna get caught up. And I'm pretty sure some of you rely so much on RSI that you don't know what you're looking at when you're looking on the window on top, which is the main window, and you see a lot of structure here. And then now you're too focused on what's being overbought and oversold. So that is another crucial aspect when you look into using indicators. You have to know what your number one indicator that you follow for the confirmations, and what your secondary confirmations are off your secondary indicator. If you don't know what your primary and secondary indicator is, and you have a bunch of indicators, then you're all over the place and over analyzing the technical analysis point and the charts and price, right? Because everything comes back to price anyways. So this is going to be, you're just looking all over the place where you're going to be so confused where you're second guessing when you want to anticipate to buy or sell. So that's the easy way I can say. So just a quick video. I plan on just making short clips here from time to time for this series, because there's so much to cover when you go from indicators to naked forex. And I'm not going back to indicators. I'll just be honest about that. I'm not going back to indicators. It's just much more cleaner, right? If I were just to take off the indicators, it's just much cleaner. It's just a cleaner chart to look at. You don't get a bunch of indicators all over the place, and you can just focus on the main window and just look at the price. Price is driven back up. Price is broken back up, and you can see where gold's headed right now if you're looking at gold. And so now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of questions and be like, well, I would rather use this indicator versus, try and learn price action or try and learn naked forex. By all means, whatever is working for you, that is awesome, because that's your money maker. That's your bread and butter, and that's your primary source of income, and that's the way that you're making. That's your strength. So I'm just putting it out there because some people have been asking for some specific videos on this, and I'm going to explain my personal experience, how, what happened. Like I said, the indicators that I've used in the past, and I switched over naked forex in the middle of in the summer of 2018. So that's pretty much 2 years ago. I've been using naked forex, but the first year and a half has been nothing but indicators. So it's a huge, like I said, it's a huge game changer for me, but it really comes down to how you really look into your own technical analysis, and how you look at the trend, how you look at the structure, how you look at price. If you don't look at price, are you looking at support and resistance? So other than that, that's pretty much it for you guys for today. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are keeping an eye on gold and what's going on with the Fed, and also all the central banks are going on for this week. You never know what's going to happen with the pandemic as well. So much love to you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.